Today I'm making turtle crumb bars. First in a bowl I have 1½ sticks of softened butter. Next I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then 1/2 cup of sugar. Next add 2/3 of a cup of powdered sugar. Then mix that up until everything is combined. Then add 1/3 of a cup of cocoa powder. Next add 1 cup of flour. Then mix that up until the dough forms. Now I'm going to melt 1 cup of caramels and a splash of heavy cream. Now I have an 8x8 pan that I lined in grease. I'm going to add half of the chocolate crumb mixture into the bottom of the pan and press it in. Next I'm going to add the melted caramel and spread that out. Then I'm going to add 1/2 cup of chopped pecans. Next I'm going to add 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. Next I'm going to sprinkle the other half of the chocolate crumb dough and then bake this at 350 for 35 minutes. Once the crumb bars cooled, I cut them into pieces and I sprinkled some powdered sugar.